What's up everybody? In today's video we're going to be playing PC Building Simulator. As you see, we already have the case right here, black plus red. Yeah, let's get into it. Start building. So first let's remove this. Okay, done. Now let's find the motherboard. Hold on. Okay, there. I see. Wait, no. There it is. Alright, perfect. Now that that's done, that looks amazing. Now we just gotta do the processor. Perfect. Now for the memory. Let's do this. Okay. Just two. Okay, now we got the graphics card. Okay, I have to remove this. Oh, come on, come on! Turn green, damn it! Okay, there. Unscrew that. Unscrew these. Let's find it. Okay, I found it. Hold on, we have to remove another one of those. Just do that real quick. Alright, perfect. Install. Okay, we're gonna go a little crazy with the memory here. Uninstall this, and we'll install the memory. We'll do 16 terabytes. $16 or $12. We'll figure it out. Okay, power supply. Let's pull this out. And do this. Remove this. And we can install it. Montage time! Aw, moment. Okay, where is it? No, we went way too far. Yeah, I think I went too far. Why am I okay. Bingo! 1300. Reinstall this. Okay, let's install this. Tab. Okay, let's install that. Perfect. This is looking nice. I really like how this is looking. I'm probably gonna change my mind though. I think I should go with like fans instead. Let's add fans. No, nah. Yeah, let's add fans. But set up these cables. Okay. So far so good. Let's install the rest of these cables. And yeah, actually, I think I'm gonna go with fans. So montage time maybe. We'll see. Let's go! Montage time! I just added a bunch of random fans. Crap. Okay, I thought that looked cool, but now that I think about it, it doesn't really. So let's add all the same fan, except for the cooler. Let's do this. Okay, it's looking really good so far. Okay, now let's go to CPU cooling and pick this nice red fan. Actually, no, I'm gonna go white. Yeah. Find red cables and connect them. Now let's reattach everything and we should be good. We can turn it on, see how it looks. Oh, wait, I have to... Crap, hold on, I have to mount this. Let me just remove all this. PSU mount. Hold on, my stuff disconnected, just a sec. Okay, there. Reconnected. Sorry about that. Now we can go to side panel and reinstall that. Oh, yeah, there we go. Screw that back on. Now we can put the panel back on and do the other stuff. Oh, what? PCI. Okay, there. PCI lock. Screw that back on. And add the case. Or the cords. Alright, now's the time you've all been waiting for. Probably haven't, but whatever. Let's turn it on. Oh, it looks so good. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the next video.